In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best belt sanders available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the belt sanders list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the belt sanders mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. CNCEST 550W Belt Sander. The CNCEST 550W desktop belt sander is a heavy-duty, dual-function machine suited for vertical and horizontal use. With a brushless motor and forward/reverse rotation, it delivers smooth, consistent sanding for wood, metal, and other materials. Its 9 kg per 18 kg weight gives stability, while the 0.55 kW power output and 220V operation ensure reliable performance. Whether for DIY or professional polishing, its variable speed control and robust build make it a valuable addition to any workspace. Number 4. FANG Mini Belt Sander. The FANG Mini Electric Belt Sander is a compact, stainless steel sanding tool equipped with 7-speed control and a grinding wheel for polishing wood and acrylic. With a 330 by 30 mm sand pad and variable speed ranging from 4500 9000 R/min, it provides precision for fine finishing. It runs on 24V 4.5A power and supports both 110V and 220V inputs. The brushed motor, 3-speed switch, and customizable design make it a versatile pick for hobbyists and light workshop use. Number 3. Onkel.J FF9533 SDJ Sander. The Onkel.J FF9533 SDJ belt sander is a lightweight yet powerful sanding solution for home DIY projects. Operating at 500W with a variable speed setting, it's great for polishing wood and metal surfaces. With a compact body weighing only 1.6 kg and using 9 by 533 mm sanding belts, this sander is perfect for detailed and tight space work. Its 220V voltage and efficient 50 Hz operation ensure stable performance for both beginners and experienced users. Number 2. ZJMZYM FC4148 Belt Sander. The ZJMZYM FC4148 Belt Sander 515 is a powerful dual-mode vertical and horizontal sander designed for serious DIY and workshop users. Powered by a robust 750W motor with variable speed ranging from 200 to 6000 RPM, it handles both rough grinding and fine polishing. Compatible with 110V/220V power, it includes 5 abrasive belts and a steel plate frame for durability. This versatile machine is ideal for sanding metal, wood, and plastic with precision and ease. Number 1. Allsome BG3202 Mini Sander. The Allsome BG3202 Mini Belt Sander is ideal for DIY enthusiasts who need compact power. Featuring a 180W electric motor and 10 sanding belts, 533 by 30 mm, it's suitable for precision polishing and sanding. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it offers cordless convenience. With a 7000 R/min no-load speed, variable speed control, and CE certification, it's built for safe, efficient home use. At just 2.95 kg, it's lightweight yet durable, perfect for wood, acrylic, and other materials.